Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple things that I got for fall. It's not a lot, so this video is going to be short, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've already had through the years. I never really decorated for fall up until last year, really. I decorate more for Halloween, and I definitely decorate more for Christmas. But I'm going to decorate early for fall so that I could decorate early for Halloween, because I always decorate early for Christmas. If you know me, you know that once Halloween is over, that night I take it down, and November 1st always is when I decorate for Christmas. We have a lot of Christmas stuff, so that'll be a fun video for you. Okay, but to start, if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm really trying to grow my channel. I do videos on cleaning, cooking, even though no one watches them, but cleaning, cooking, anything I can think of really. I have a couple really fun videos coming out soon, so stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. Okay, first, I have this dish. Let me take it out. It's like a little leaf, and we're going to use it by our front door, by our table by our front door where we put our keys in. I got that from Amazon, and it was way too expensive. I think it was like $40. So I don't know why I bought it, but I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller too. So there's that. I took everything out of the bags before I remembered where I bought it. I got this from At Home. I also got like a yellow vase from there, but my son dropped it, bringing it into the house, and it shattered. So this was $7.99, and I got this from At Home. What else? I had gotten another thing from At Home, but it's Halloween stuff, so I'll show you that for Halloween. Well, I guess these are Halloween too, so I'm not gonna show you them. I got these from Home Sense, and they were $10. Got them. Okay, moving on to, I'll do TJ Maxx. So from TJ Maxx, I got these. Little pumpkins, and they were $10. I also got these pillows. I'm really loving this like mustard yellow color, and like I love this texture. I just got a new couch, so I think they'll look really nice on them, and these were $24.99. I do not need more throw pillows at all, but like, I wish I could just buy the cases, because I have so many inserts. Behind me in my closet, I have 9 up there. There's 9 pillows. They came with my couch when we bought it, and I have 9 vacuum sealed in a bag in my front closet that I don't use all of them. I don't know why I have so many pillows, because of this, because I buy them like this, and then, you know how it goes. Oh, I didn't buy that. I got this table runner from Amazon. Look at this. What am I doing? So it's long enough for my table, since I always have trouble finding stuff like that. That was from Amazon, and I believe it was about $14, something like that. And then onto Target, I got these for the kitchen. Oh, they got little fringes on the bottom, and these were $5, and this was in the Target dollar spot. All the stuff that I got at Target, I found in the dollar spot, Target dollar spot. I got this little pick. It was $3, and this pick that was $3. I just broke it. and this pick that was $3, and this one. This is Nick, my fiance's Nick. He picked this one out. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because my plan was to put all of these in, like mix it all together pretty and put it in this, which I also got from a Target dollar spot for $3, if you could see that. And I was gonna somehow put all these in here, just a little bit more pretty, and that would look cute. But if you're gonna put this one in it, doesn't match, right? Doesn't match. You don't even have to tell me, I know. Okay, so that's what I got from Target. I thought I got something else from Target. I guess not. Is that all that I bought? This is my second time filming this video, so I mixed everything together, like down here, everything is. So I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff that I had from last year, which again is not a lot, but I got this little pumpkin, this mustard yellow guy, and he was $6 from the Christmas tree shop. A little leaf candle holder from Bath and Body Works. I don't know, I've had that for years, so I have no idea how much it was. This little Hello Fall, which actually, if I put this both on my entry table, this will kind of match, right? A little bit. Yeah, just like the same. I have this little Hello Pumpkin, Hello There Pumpkin cover. And then I have these. These are also pillow covers, which I most likely won't use because they won't match the mustard yellow one, which I think is way cuter. I have this one from last year. This is a table runner from last year. I had got it because it had like a lot of blues in it, but it's like not really long, and my table is super long. So I don't like that it doesn't like hang over the edges like they're supposed to, but it has the blues in it, and I have a lot of blues in my house, so that's why I bought it. I got that at home last year, and it was probably like $15, I don't know. And I have this too that I believe my son picked out, so I don't think I used it last year. I probably won't use it again this year. I got this. This is, Natalie made this. It used to have the year on it, but I guess it faded off. There's an E in it, so I don't know what that means. I doubt it means 8th grade, but maybe, I doubt it. So she made this. Are your kids old enough to be making stuff in school yet? I watched that Tiffany Beeston girl, and I love her videos, and she just posted something recently about like all of her kids' projects, and it makes me so sad that my kids are so big and they don't do any of that anymore, so I save all their old stuff. So, oh wait, let me finish what else I got. So I have this blanket too, which I don't know if I'll put it out because it doesn't match the mustard yellow. Would you guys put that out? Do you think the orange goes with the yellow? I don't know, because look, it doesn't really go together, I don't think. But I love it so much, it's so comfy. You'll have to tell me when I decorate, because I'm gonna do that after I do this video. So you'll have to let me know in the comments below if you think that that mustard yellow goes with the orange. And this is my next question. Do these look like they're fall-like? They are pumpkins, but I use them for Halloween all the time. I never put them out for fall. I have these, and I also have these. So wait, let me just take out the ones that I have. So there's like a purpley one. I feel like this definitely is more Halloween. This one could maybe pass for fall, but still I think it's more Halloween. And like I feel like I have more yellows and like than I have of orange, and it just doesn't match. And I have this one, but like with this, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to put it out and see. I think definitely not the white ones, but you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Yes to the pumpkins. If you think yes to the pumpkins, put some pumpkin emojis in the comments below. And let's see, I think that's all that I have. So with that being said, we are done here. That's all I have. So I'm going to clean this up and start decorating. And if you think that I should use these white and black pumpkins and the other ones, just leave me that pumpkin emoji below, and let me know if you think that this yellow would match with the mustard pillows. If you want to end up seeing it, I'll put it out and you can do a poll on the next video also. That'll be out on Sunday. This is Wednesday when you're seeing this, so Sunday will be the next video. So we'll see if they go good together. I'm gonna think that they're not gonna go good together. Then I'm gonna have to buy a new blanket, because I always put a blanket over my ottoman and then put the tray on top of that. So we'll see. But thank you so much for watching, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm really trying to grow my channel and it is so hard. So consider subscribing. It's been difficult to grow for sure. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the people that have subscribed. I've had 6 new ones this month, so yay. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.